Hi, good afternoon. So this is Robert Ravalo, your real estate buddy. So I'm here now sa Covent Garden Condominium dito sa May Santa Mesa, near in PUP, malapit po to sa UARM Hospital. And very accessible po to kung if you're looking for investment within Metro Manila or Manila area. So, pag-view ko sa inyo yung 100 square meter namin na 2-bedroom. So, ito po yan. So, let's start with dito sa ground floor. Anyway, this one is by level po to. So, meaning meron po tong second floor. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo. This one is the kitchen area with extra room, no? This one is para siyang maid's quarter. Yan. Meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. Yan. Or pwede nyo rin itong i-convert if you have elderlies or yung lola, lolo. Pwede siyang gawing room. And then meron tayong sariling common toilet dito sa baba. Yan. And then let's proceed sa second level. Sa second floor, meron tayong common toilet and bath. And then ito yung high ceiling. And then ito yung master's bedroom. Meron din siyang sariling toilet and bath. Yan. Ito yung kanyang aerial view. Ang aerial view nito is Makati. Yan. Ortigas. Yan, Ortigas. And then ito yung second room. Yan. So, dun po sa mga interested buyer, message nyo lang po ako, no? Type nyo lang po yung aking full name, Roberto M. Ravalo. And then message nyo lang po ako if ever interested po kayo so that I can discuss to you the details and payment options of this unit. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye.